I'm missing a beat.
I love it.
That's the best feeling prepaid. Only at Metro.
All right.
What do you think about the car?
So far, overall, it literally looks like a baby M3. It really does. Minus the fact that it's not X-Drive, which is, now that I'm actually looking at it, the subframe is actually completely different. I thought maybe they would have used the same subframe, but it's a whole, wow, it's actually really different. Because normally right here in this general area, this thing is all open. And it actually has a serviceable like bolt and nut right here, so you could just take off the top part and actually drop the subframe without having to take the axle out. I hope they make one of these in all-wheel drive. If they actually make one of these in all-wheel drive, it will definitely surpass the G80 and the G82, just because of how light it is. It's basically a cheat code. Pretty much all it is just we're gonna disconnect the sway bar end link from the actual strut. Then I already disconnected all the actual ABS line, ABS line. I think it's a brake pad whip sensor, and now I'm just gonna take off the actual center bolt that actually holds the knuckle to the strut. Bam. Okay. All right, now we get to go on the other side. Oh, you missed it too. Whoever did the PDI on this car didn't do the PDI correctly. Left all the in there. All this is supposed to be taken out when the car actually gets bought and PDI.
And it didn't.
Nope. Now, I've been hitting it with a wire brush to clean a little bit off of the debris so that actually sliding the sleeve on goes on a little bit smoother. You don't want to grind too much of it. You just kind of want it to smooth up the surface so it doesn't take too much force to actually hammer this back in. Okay, so I'm gonna actually try to set this up just like the G82. I gotta max out the front. Max out the front, and then I gotta set this up
These are adjustable coils.
Jesus Christ.
It's still on the ground.
You're on the ground. Anything you done in the past 24 hours? We're gonna line this bad boy up. Boom. Where did it go? Right there. So now I gotta push down
Saying going down anyway, top down? No. Oh. Top up, top up. Tell the world how to install them?
Yeah, Josh wants me to let all the secrets out. Whoever did the PDI, this guy did it wrong. They never took these out.
Let me get past you real quick, brother.
All tree. It's definitely gonna ride a lot better, I'll tell you that right now.
GTs are just like that. Mercedes, everybody
That's what we're doing now?
All right, now we moved on to the rear because the front is all finito. Normally on G82s and the G80 M3s, when you're doing the rears, you're actually able to take out this bolt right here and you'll just take out the shock bolt. But in this case, I'm not gonna be able to do that because the exhaust setup, I guess, is a little bit different. So I'm not gonna actually be able to pull out this bolt all the way with the exhaust valve sitting there. In other words, I'm gonna have to go this route, which is a little bit more complicated. I marked all the camber adjustments so I can put it exactly how it was before without messing anything up. We'll just it's just gonna add like what? I say additional 10, 15 more minutes.
It's up the camera, bro. Seriously?
Oh God.
I know what we're doing.
Now we're just putting we adjusted it and now we're putting the spring back in. It's a little bit. Oh, okay. She's going in. Trying to make sure that it's actually seated all the way. Watagwan. Okay. Here comes the fun part, trying to line this all back up. Oh God, where am I? I gotta go a little bit up. Okay, okay. Step one, done.
Step one done?
Yep. Step two. Here we go. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. You gotta be careful. Don't hit the brakes. Oh. All right, let's set this up.
Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video with the new BMW M2. I want to give a shout out to Austin for giving us the opportunity to work on his car. I believe that's probably one of the first G87s to come here to South Florida. He brought it straight from the dealer right to us and we modded it right away. We put KW coilovers on it, we lowered it. Shout out to Vossen as well. They were able to bring some demo wheels by, so we were able to get some shots with those Vossens on it for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe below.